Welcome back, guys, to another Twisted video, and today we will be doing something. So, on to the video now. Welcome back, guys, to another Car Crash Studio video, and today we will be playing by myself again. Yep, by myself. Not saying anything bad, but I'm just playing by myself now for like a few minutes. I don't even know what I'm saying, bro. Triangle. Nope. Wedge. Yeah, wedge is good. Oh, wedge is a good jump. It is. Okay. Copy that. Let me turn it. We're gonna put multiple buses in here. Multiple buses. Okay, so we did that. And a little surprise just in case if it does get over the ramp. Just good old surprise. Just a good old surprise. Okay. Now let's see. Let's see if it can even get up. Boing. Okay, so we're gonna need a faster vehicle. Let's just put this to like 400. 400 miles an hour. Okay, that should be good. Yeah, 400 should be good. If it doesn't shred the hole, oh my god! Bro's floating in the air. Boing. Let me undo these ones so they aren't like, so they aren't. I want them. Okay, I'm unanchoring all of them now. Let's just see what happens now that I unanchored it. Okay, time to unanchor the whole thing. Oh crap, wait, why can't I? Okay. Alright, I did not anchor them, but oh my god, bro. Look at this bus fly. This RV fly. Okay, oh, made a tower of them. Made a tower of buses. Oh no, I placed them inside of each other. Oh no! Oh no, this is not good. More shittings. You make sure that there ain't no more buses inside. Just gotta make sure. There's buses on the inside of the line too, great. And those two as well. Obviously, it's about to become a particle accelerator because how many particles and blocks this thing's about to accelerate. This thing actually about to do that crap, man. And now they did not break. Come on, tower, stay still, please stay in good. Please stay in good, bro. I need to see the van hit. Now. Pal, bro, seriously, dude. It did nothing. Oh, you know what I gotta do now? What I gotta do? Cause I wanna see these buses go kabloomis, kabloomis. Hit them with kaboomis. Wee. Oh, ho, ho. Wee. Yep, this thing's definitely gonna blow up my computer now. It's gonna go over the explosion thing, bro. Let's go, he made it. Oh no, the bus is all gonna blow up the extension thing. So that one he did not get out unscathed, and oh my god, how did he get out unscathed? How did it get out unscathed? Okay, let's go to a new map. Okay, we got a new map now. We got a very good map. Actually, no, this map is not good. Okay, so we got a new map now. We got a new map. It is the Destruction Bridge map. Acceleration, nah, we going for 1,000. Target speed, no, let's go with that. Yep, 400. So the first guy is gonna stop right here. My cat is now eating cardboard. He's now eating the dungeon of advanced Dungeons and Dragons. We did not need an advanced one, bro. What does it have, like technology in it? Oh, starter set. I don't think I could even do it. But they finally got a choo-choo train. They finally got a steam train in the game. So, that's what we're gonna use. Okay, now let's pull it back. Pull it back. Pull it back right there. Now let's go with 200 miles an hour. Bro, they're not even that fast. Why do I always use school buses, man? I don't know why. Let's go for 50. Let's go 59. Bro, the trains can't even go in a straight line, and the buses spawned in each other. I gotta stop my cat from eating cardboard, man. He's eating the mousetrap game. Cardboard box, man. He's eating it right now. He's freaking eating it, bro. He's freaking eating a game box right now, bro. I bet you guys can even hear right now. Yeah, that's him eating freaking cardboard, bro. I don't know why he eats cardboard. I do not know why. I fed him this morning. Well, my parents did feed him. But, looks like the trains actually helped the buses, because kaboomis, they would have freaking died if they even tried. Someone stop this cab, bro. I gotta stop my own cat. But I don't want to stop him, because I don't know why. I gotta do have to stop him, so, I'm on mute. I just asked him not to eat the cardboard. That's what I did. I just asked him not to eat it. Oh look, two buses on their way to on their way to a thing, to a what was it again? Oh no! Oh damn! That bus is gone. That bus is gone. Oh wait, this bus is the ghost bus. The ghost bus. Well, guys, see you later, and tomorrow there will be a new video. Bye, guys, and see you later.